In this business, we calculated our ROI, or return on investment, in a yearly basis over a span of 3 years. On year 1, we are expecting to have a 112% of ROI. On year 2, 123%. And on year 3, a whopping 134%. For our net income sales ratio, we also calculated it in a yearly basis. On year 1, we are expecting to have a 67% of sales ratio. On year 2, 73%. And on year 3, 80%. For our break-even analysis, we calculated it on a daily, monthly, and yearly basis. For our Pride Oreos, on our per day, we are expecting to produce 100 pieces and a break-even point of 72%. For our monthly basis, we are expecting to produce 3,000 pieces and a break-even point of 2,130 units. On a yearly basis, we are expecting to produce 36,000 pieces and a break-even point of 25,560 units. And that's for our fried Oreos. Next, on our kamote cheese balls. On a day-to-day basis, we are expecting to produce 100 pieces and a break-even point of 50 units. On a monthly basis, we are expecting to have or to produce 3,000 units and a break-even point of 2,130 units. On our yearly basis, we are expecting to produce 36,000 units and a break-even point of 18,000 units. And that's for our kamote cheese balls. Those values or numbers are our expected numbers of produced goods on a span of 3 years.